Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Retirement planning, so make sure to watch the full video. Introduction. Retirement planning is an essential aspect of financial management. It involves creating a strategy that will enable individuals to live comfortably during their retirement years. This involves setting financial goals, determining sources of income, and making investments to achieve those goals. By planning for retirement early, individuals can ensure that they have enough money to maintain their standard of living and enjoy their golden years. 1. Determine how much you need to save. To determine how much you need to save for retirement, you should consider the following factors. Your retirement goals. Think about what kind of lifestyle you want to have in retirement, including your travel plans, hobbies, and other activities. Consider whether you want to downsize your home or move to a different location. Your current expenses. Review your current budget to get a sense of your monthly and annual expenses. This will help you estimate how much you'll need in retirement to cover your basic needs. Your expected retirement age, the age at which you plan to retire, can have a significant impact on how much you need to save. The longer you work, the more time you have to save and potentially grow your investments. Your expected retirement income. Consider any sources of retirement income you may have, such as Social Security, pensions, or rental income. This can help you estimate how much you'll need to save to supplement your income. Your expected retirement expenses. This includes any expected healthcare costs, long-term care expenses, and other expenses that may arise in retirement. Once you have a sense of these factors, you can use retirement calculators or consult with a financial advisor to determine how much you need to save. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a retirement income that is 70 to 80% of your pre-retirement income. This will give you a comfortable standard of living while allowing you to maintain your lifestyle in retirement. 2. Start saving early. Saving for retirement is a critical aspect of financial planning that should not be overlooked. One of the best things you can do for your financial future is to start saving for retirement as early as possible. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, and the less you will need to save each year to reach your retirement goals. One popular way to save for retirement is through a 401k plan. A 401k is a type of retirement plan offered by many employers that allows you to save a portion of your paycheck before taxes are taken out. Some employers even offer a matching contribution up to a certain percentage, which can help you save even more. The money you contribute to your 401k grows tax-deferred until you withdraw it in retirement, which means you don't have to pay taxes on your contributions or earnings until you take the money out. Another option to consider is an individual retirement account, IRA. An IRA is a retirement account that you can set up on your own, even if you don't have access to a 401k through your employer. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. With a traditional IRA, you contribute pre-tax dollars, and your money grows tax-deferred until you withdraw it in retirement. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax dollars, but your money grows tax-free, and you won't owe taxes when you withdraw it in retirement. Starting to save for retirement early is essential because it gives your money more time to grow through the power of compound interest. Compound interest is the interest you earn on your initial investment, as well as the interest you earn on the interest you've already earned. Over time, compound interest can make a significant difference in the amount of money you have saved for retirement. For example, let's say you start saving $500 a month for retirement when you're 25 years old and continue to do so until you retire at age 65. Assuming an average annual return of 7%, you would have over $1.2 million saved for retirement. However, if you wait until you're 35 to start saving, you would need to save over $1,000 per month to have the same amount of money saved by age 65. 3. Diversify your investments. Investing is a great way to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals, whether that be saving for retirement or building a nest egg for your future. However, investing comes with risks, and it's important to take steps to minimize those risks. One way to do that is through diversification. Diversification means investing in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments, rather than putting all your money into a single investment. By diversifying your investments, you spread out your risk and reduce the potential impact of any one asset on your overall portfolio. For example, if you invest only in stocks and the stock market takes a hit, your entire portfolio could be negatively affected. But if you have a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets, your losses in one area may be offset by gains in another. There are many different ways to diversify your investments, and the best mix for you will depend on your financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. You may choose to invest in a mix of individual stocks and bonds, or you may prefer to invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that provide exposure to a diversified portfolio of assets. Working with a financial advisor can help determine the best mix of investments for your retirement goals. A financial advisor can help you assess your risk tolerance, identify your investment objectives, and create a personalized investment strategy that aligns with your goals. In addition to diversifying your investments, it's also important to periodically review and adjust your portfolio as needed. Your financial goals and risk tolerance may change over time, and your investment strategy should evolve to reflect those changes. 4. Reevaluate your plan regularly. It is important to reevaluate your retirement plan regularly. Life is unpredictable, and your financial situation may change over time. Therefore, it is crucial to make adjustments to your plan as necessary to ensure that you are on track to meet your goals. Reevaluating your retirement plan can be done in several ways. First, you should review your savings and investments to ensure that they are still aligned with your retirement goals. Are you saving enough each month to reach your desired retirement income? Are your investments performing as expected? If not, you may need to adjust your savings or investment strategy to ensure that you can meet your goals. Secondly, it is important to review your expenses and budget regularly. As you get closer to retirement, you may have a better idea of how much money you will need each month to cover your living expenses. You should compare your estimated retirement expenses to your projected retirement income to determine if you will have enough money to cover your expenses throughout retirement. If not, you may need to adjust your budget or consider working longer to save more money. Additionally, you should consider any changes in your circumstances that may impact your retirement plan. Have you experienced a significant life event such as marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child? Have you changed jobs or experienced a change in income? These changes may impact your retirement goals and require adjustments to your plan. Finally, it is important to consult with a financial advisor or retirement planner to ensure that your retirement plan is still aligned with your goals. A professional can help you identify any potential roadblocks to your retirement plan and provide guidance on how to overcome them. 5. Consider working longer. Retirement is a phase in life that everyone looks forward to, but it also requires proper planning and preparation. One of the biggest concerns for retirees is having enough savings to support their lifestyle for the remainder of their lives. While it's essential to save for retirement, there are other ways to ensure that you have enough funds to live comfortably during retirement. One such way is to consider working longer. Working longer can be an excellent way to save more money for retirement and reduce the amount of time you need to rely on your retirement savings. If you have the option to work part-time or consult after retirement, it can help you supplement your income and ease the burden on your savings. Additionally, working longer also allows you to delay claiming Social Security benefits, which can increase your monthly payments in the future. Working part-time after retirement can also help you maintain social connections, keep your mind sharp, and give you a sense of purpose. It's essential to consider your health and abilities when deciding to work longer, but part-time work can be an excellent way to stay active and engaged while also supplementing your income. Consulting is another option for retirees who have expertise in a particular field. It allows you to work on a project basis and set your schedule, making it a flexible way to earn money while enjoying retirement. Additionally, consulting can be a great way to stay connected with colleagues and continue using your skills. It's important to note that working longer should not be the only retirement plan. Proper planning and saving for retirement should always be a priority, but working longer can be an additional way to supplement your income and reduce the amount of time you need to rely on your savings. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.